public address. The third is difficult to target the price, meaning that for the token transfers, it's difficult for them to actually realize what is the actual price of the tokens themselves. Now for the MRC 511, for the first application layer, there's three characteristics that we have for the MRC 511. The first is the natural ICO voluntary exchange. So here, MRC 511 cannot do an ICO or be publicly listed on the exchange. The second is the enterprise growth. Here, we provide interfaces and open protocols to each entrepreneur. The third is the internet effective experience, which essentially we eliminated the gas costs within the MRC 511. So it's virtually zero costs. Now, the benefits of the 5C11, MRC 511 is the first, easy development accessibility. This pertains that an entrepreneur can have zero expertise in blockchain technology and incorporate their tokenized operation within 1 hour. So everything is self-explanatory. The second is that for the distributed ID protocol, meaning that now we can realize what is the natural anonymity of the entity behind the blockchain. The third is that the MRC 511 is interlinked within the public chain, MRC 20. Now, for the fourth is the co-trust assets. Now, this is a security issue. This makes the UAT, the entrepreneurs who issue their own tokens, commercially valuable, financially valuable. In order to do so, we anchor their UATs with another valuable token or currency. Now, there are three ways that we believe in order to embrace tokenization. The first is enterprise. We need to build the ecosystem together to bring on app developers, service providers, and entrepreneurs to come together to thrive and innovate. The second is the community, the users who use the products. And the third, importantly, is the KOL, which we allow them to pass our message, pass the belief that we have a common message throughout the process. Now, before I move on to the next slide, I would like to pass my microphone to our CEO, Ivan Jones.
Thanks, Douglad. Hi everyone. I hope you get a basic understanding what Merculet is doing now and what we are fighting for after Douglad's implementation. Himself and myself will be in the private room this afternoon. If you have any questions, please come to us. So now I need to give a community update about what we did. So the first thing, I need to explain one thing. So for blockchain project, we all say it's an internet of value, but we need to remind one thing. So the next generation of internet is also the internet of privileges. Because in the next blockchain world, every services and every privileges you need or you can access is all depends on your blockchain ID and what kind of token you have. For example, Douglad will do an introduction very soon to become a football game. If you want to play that game, it might be only way is using their token. So it's also privileges of the internet. So for the entrepreneurs, what they are trying to do actually the issue token feeling belief and trying to set up their privilege structures. And also the need to work with the other tokens to make the user feel comfortable, because holding one token might be limited, but exchanging with others, that user experience might be great and subtle. So that's the structure of next internet. So the other thing actually about Merculet itself, and we are running in the past 3 years, we already have very good fundamental to helping more than 1,000 applications working together. And also for our team, we have a great interaction among different countries. We also have a very fast international progress, which I will show you next slide. So we are partners of every entrepreneur. So here is the detailed update about our structure. So as you already know, Merculet is a brand new project. We just finished the public contribution in, I think it's in the fourth, and within 2 minutes. And we get listed on exchange on June. So, but our actual product actually is already online, and as you can see, the D-Stop and the voting, they're already online. And we are already serving more than 10 million users, and they are all new users and with new money. So online, it's on May 11th. So it's on actually it's quite a bit 1.5 ahead of that white paper. And also within the 4 months, we hired more than 40 people, and they are all full-time employees working on this project. And also, we established a multi-country structure, for example, Japan. We also hired some good people from Douglad, Japan, which is the biggest financial group in Japan. And also in America, we also have our branch open. And the general manager is on board now, and he's from Oracle and quite familiar with marketing and technology itself. We also have a branch opened in Europe, in Malta. You know, Yankee, the biggest exchange is there operating. So that's our real progress. And also now we are trying to establish a more solid community working model, and that's why we are here, because we want you to know what Merculet is trying to do. If you understand what we are doing, and if you believe, and if you trust us, please join us as a community member, and we need to set up our project here. So this is a brief update of our project, and if you want to get more information, this afternoon in the private room, we will be there, and we'll be happy to answer all of your questions. And definitely, this is a brand new world, and the Merculet mission is to bring every internet user and enterprises into the blockchain world. So you have a lot of